Hello, it's me from the Artisan Kitchen, and I am so excited to share this recipe with you today. This is one of my favorite recipes. It is 3-ingredient banana pancakes. That's it. With just these 3 ingredients, oh my gosh, you are in for a treat. So the first ingredient that you're gonna need is ripe bananas. I like to use overripe bananas because they're sweeter, but that's totally up to you. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mash this banana up real quick and get it into the bowl. Next ingredient that you're gonna need is eggs. Eggs help bind everything together, and they also add a ton of protein. So I'm just gonna go ahead and crack both of these eggs right into the bowl. And the last ingredient that you're gonna need is some sort of milk alternative. I like to use oat milk, but you can really use any milk that you want or that you have on hand. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this oat milk right into the bowl. Now we just wanna mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Just get all of the ingredients nice and well combined. And then once you've done that, you're gonna brush a little bit of oil on your pan on medium heat. Once the oil is hot, you're gonna pour about 1/4 cup of the batter onto the pan. And then you're just gonna let that cook for a couple minutes on each side or until you see that it's nice and golden brown. And then while those are cooking, you can go ahead and make the rest of the pancakes. And once all of the pancakes are done cooking, you can go ahead and serve them up. And this is what I like to do. I like to put a little bit of syrup on top, and then I also like to put a little bit of whipped cream. But again, that's totally up to you. You can put whatever you want on top of your pancakes. So I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. It is so easy, delicious, and simple. I love it, and I know that you will too. So I'll see you next time. Bye.